had so much fun today.
We did have fun today.
We always have fun with you, Barney.
Goodbye. Take care now. See you soon.
See you later, Barney.
It's time for Barney Says.
Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never end. Here's what we did today. Wasn't it fun watching the clouds to see what neat shapes they made? And we had lots of fun playing together in the treehouse, even when it started to rain. We pretended the rain was made of cookies, candy, and ice cream. Yum, yum! But sometimes rainstorms can be a little bit too loud. Stella told us a story about the animals in the rainforest. And we made colorful rainbows. They really brightened our day. Oh, I just love a beautiful rainbow. And remember, I love you.
To learn more about Barney and Friends, visit PBS online at pbskids.org.
Barney and Friends was made possible by...
Why are these kids laughing? Why not? Fun and the joy of learning are essential to growing up, and we're proud to play our part at Chuck E. Cheese's by supporting Children's Public Television, where a kid can be a kid.
Guess I'd better be going. Yeah.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you.